if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Spy AI. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Spy AI got this amazing project. So we discuss more detail about this project. Spy AI, a platform which uses advanced AI for analyzing smart wallets on chain. And now guys, you can see this more detail. You can see the pre-sale participant 300 plus, alpha information cases 1000 plus, team members 25 plus. And next you can see this more information. Our advanced AI analyzes smart wallets on chain, empowering investors with actionable insight. We believe our product is a powerful tool for all smart market participants. You can click this and see this participant in pre-sale. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open, public pre-sale. You can participate in pre-sale now. You can enter your amount. You can deposit minimum amount to $50. Then you can enter your receiving the Solana wallet. Then you can choose payment method: Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT ERC20, USDT ERC20. So guys, you can select any payment method. Then you can enter your promo code. Then you can click this. Then you can participate now. And next we back to the home page and see more detail. So guys, you can see this. We back to the home page and see team members. You can see this: Thomas E, CEO, Solana Polygon, MEK. You can see the marketing advisor, Crypto.com, Davis, CTO, Wormhole, and Safal. Next you can see this all team members. You can click here and see this: Charlie L, main developer, Arkham. You can see this all is the team member of this project, Spy A. And next you can see this professional traders feedback on beta testing on our product. Number one, Spy AI real-time data insights significantly enhanced my market analysis, leading to a timely investment in rising meme coin, resulting in substantial profits. Number two, thanks to Spy AI policies transactions tracking, I identified a sudden surge in trading volume, allowing me to capitalize on a profitable arbitrage opportunity. Number three, Spy AI through analytics provided essential clarity when navigating a volatile market, enabling me to make informed decisions that result in profitable traders. And next you can see this public pre-sale. You can see the sold amount. You can check here, participate in pre-sale. Guys, you can participate in pre-sale now. We will discuss this how to participate in public pre-sale. And next you can see this Spy AI tokenomics. You can see this airdrop and marketing 15%, liquidity pool 45%, angel investor 5%, private sale 10%, public pre-sale 10%, team allocations 15%. Next you can see this total supply. You can check here total supply. And next you can see these team members. You can see these members: GBV, FBG Capital, Coin Shares, LD Capital. And next you can check out our roadmap. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is almost open. Phase 1, research and development: conduct in-depth research on Solana blockchain and meme coin market dynamics, develop algorithms for data collections and analysis. Phase 2, prototype development: prototype platform for data collection from Solana blockchain, develop initial AI algorithms for identifying profitable transactions. Next we can see phase 3, alpha testing, internal testing of the platform functionality and AI capabilities, gather feedback and iterate on the prototype. Phase 4, beta testing, invite select user to participate in beta testing, evaluate platform performance and user experience, refine algorithm based on beta test feedback. Phase 5, private round, private funding round for strategic investor and partners. Phase 6, pre-sale, conduct pre-sale to raise funds for further development and expansion, offering Spy AI tokens to public investors at a predetermined price. Phase 7, airdrop and marketing, implementing an airdrop campaign to distribute Spy AI tokens, launching marketing campaign to increase platform visibility. Phase 8, stacking reward, introducing stacking mechanism for Spy AI token holders, reward users for stacking SPY AI tokens on the platform. Phase 9 listing and expansion. Listing SPY AI token on decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges, expanding platform features and functionalities to cater to a wider audience. Phase 10 stacking reward. Continuously monitor and optimize AI algorithms for enhanced performance, ensuring that SPY AI remains at the forefront of blockchain analytics and provides users with unparalleled insight into the ever evolving world of meme coins and smart wallet activities. And next, guys, we back to the home page and see more details. So guys, we back to the home page, and next we go to this project official white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this white paper is open. SPY AI platform which uses advanced AI for analyzing smart wallets on chain. You can see this abstract introducing SPY AI, a pioneering company at the forefront of blockchain analytics, specializing in the Solana ecosystem, leveraging advanced algorithms and cutting-edge technology. SPY AI meticulously synchronizes every transaction on the Solana blockchain, identifying high value movements and trades within the volatile world of meme coins and other narratives. Our platform goes beyond mere observation, actively piloting the most lucrative transaction made by influential market participants, often referred to as the strategic insight, empower investors to capitalize on the most profitable opportunities, enabling them to navigate the dynamic landscape of crypto with confidence. Next, guys, you can check here all day. Next, you can see this introduction. SPY is founded on 7 G's about crypto and the rule intelligence plays in at. You can see this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Guys, you can see this number 8. Additionally, number 7, despite the transparency of blockchain technology, you can see this number 10, customizable dashboard. Number 11, technical architecture. Number 12, data processing. Number 13, data visualization. Number 14, use cases. Number 15, trading strategies. Number 16, research and development. Number 17, business develop model. You can see this number 17, business model. Number 18, market opportunity. Number 19, conclusion. Guys, you can read carefully all detail about this project by AI white paper. And next we back to the home page. And so guys, you can see this my page is open, so we discuss more detail about this project. Guys, you can participate now, increase it now. Guys, you can contact us at the rate SPY AI manager. You can contact us, you can see this contact in SPY AI channel at the rate SPY AI / channel. Guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. We go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check your SPY AI official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this project. Stay ahead of the crypto game with us. You can see this all important update about this project. You can see this all post about this project. And next we back to the home page. And next, guys, we go to this project official Telegram group channel. So guys, you can see this, you can contact us SPY AI manager in Telegram for the support. So next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.